Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Blitz app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Blitz app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold it here. Just click to the I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when we'll just go to the app info, then here you have to click on the storage section. Just click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to go back and open the Google search bar and search for the Bilt rewards app. Just download the latest version and it will work. So if you have any question, you can and let me know in my comment section, and it is very easy to fix this app. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.